Hi guys. This is Architahyo. Today I'm gonna share to you a famous book authored by Edward Allen and Patrick Rand, which is titled as Architectural Detailing. Let's get right to it. The first portion of this book introduces each of the patterns in turn, explains it, and illustrates several instances of its use. Each pattern is given a simple descriptive name and a graphical icon to assist in the memorization of it. The patterns are arranged in three main groups: function, constructability, and aesthetics, corresponding to the three major concerns of the detailer. The order of presentation of these groups is not intended to imply their hierarchy or their sequence in the design process. Under each of these groupings, the patterns are further categorized by similarity of intent. The first category of patterns under function, for example, is controlling water leakage, comprising 13 detailed patterns that offer a complete strategy for accomplishing this important task. The second portion of the book demonstrates the use of the detail patterns during the process of designing the details of three different hypothetical buildings: one in wood, one in architectural concrete, and one in brick veneer over a reinforced concrete frame. The almost 500 original sketches and drawings by the authors are intended to be illustrative of the building elements and natural phenomena being addressed. They are not working drawings. Almost all are freehand sketches because this remains the primary means that designers use to begin creating details. Some information has been intentionally deleted or added to make the drawings effective instructional tools. For instance, anchors securing a masonry veneer to the backup are drawn in these sections, whereas they might be identified only in specifications or in a large-scale detail in a set of working drawings produced in an office. By including them in the sketches, readers will engage the visual reality in more complete terms. The book closes with an annotated listing of publications recommended for the detailer's own reference shelf and a list of websites of particular interest. Exercises for self-study or classroom use are also provided. If you want more of these, you can visit and like our Facebook page to access different book compilations based on author or based on different architectural topics. You can also join our Facebook group so that you can have early access of the files, get a chance to request files, and have VIP access to inaccessible files. Thanks for watching. If you love our contents, hit the like and subscribe button. Peace out.